expect from this evening through late Friday night. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Hocking River at Enterprise. At 14 feet, water spills into Kashimoker Park in Logan and onto low-lying roads near Route 33 at some locations along the river. Also, water will be across State Route 93 just south of Logan. Lowland flooding also occurs in Rockbridge. Additional details, at 10 a.m. Thursday the stage was 4.4 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 14.5 feet Friday morning. It will then fall below flood stage late Friday evening. Flood stage is 12 feet. Now for the official